This is multiplying decimal hundredths by a whole number. So our question for today is 5 4/100ths times 8. So like we learned with decimal tenths, this is going to work the exact same way. If you know how to multiply a 3-digit number by a 1-digit number, then you actually already know what you're doing. The only thing you have to remember is to give yourself a reminder. So let's do that on the side. Before I do anything, I want to note how many decimal places do I have first? Well, I have 1, 2. 2 decimal places. I'm going to put 2 DEC. That's just a reminder, 2 decimals. So now I'm going to rewrite my problem. 504 times 8. And notice when I rewrite it, I'm actually removing the decimal because I'm going to bring that back later. So I'm left with 504 times 8, which I already know how to do. So here I go with 8 times 4, which is 32. I'm going to do 0 times 8, which is 0, plus 3, 3. And 5 times 8, 40. So I'm left with 4,032. Again, I know the numbers will be the same in my original problem, so I'm going to bring it back over here. 4032. Can you find out where the decimal goes? Well, if you thought about it, we should go back to our reminder over here that says 2 decimal places. And what we mean by that is we reminded ourselves, since there were 2 decimals in the question, there has to be 2 decimal places in the answer. So I'm going to count 1, 2, and then I realize my decimal is going to go right there. So my answer to 5 4/100ths times 8 is 40 32/100ths. And that is how you multiply decimal hundredths by a whole number.